What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here, and today we're going to be installing a rear diffuser on my Fiesta ST. It's a Maxton diffuser. It did come with a dual cutout, but it's not much of a big deal because I am going to have a twin exit exhaust sometime in the future on my Fiesta as the build go on, so I'm not too fussed about that. We're going to put on the Maxton diffuser and a low rear splitter aero kit from Extreme Style Design. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to both of these products. I haven't seen this combo on any other Fiesta, so I'm kind of pumped for that. So without further ado, let's go install this diffuser. Sweet, so we're installing the Maxton diffuser right now, and in my case I only have a single exit exhaust at the moment. So on the left side of the Maxton diffuser, I'm going to be using a gloss black wrap just to cover the showing of the OEM diffuser at the back. Right here I'm showing right now, as you can see, that white spot right there. Clean it off. I'm going to be putting some wrap on it, just, you know, it blends in real good, so you won't even know that it's a dual cutout unless I actually tell you it's a dual cutout. So that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, lovely. Yeah, so what I used to mount it was just original like wood screws, or any screw would do it. Just something strong enough and long enough just so it can hold it in place. So yeah, that's what I was doing in here. Obviously I used a hammer. I hammered the nail in first just so I can get a dent, and then I used a screwdriver just to screw it in, just like so. And it came out all right. I can't complain. Looking very sweet. So that's one part of it installed securely. It looks pretty good. Now we've got to move on to that piece over there, along here. Now let's try to figure this out. Cool, we got it installed. Diffuser is looking absolutely sick now. The only thing to top it off is the gloss black, this part up here, but overall sturdy on. I need fat tips right here just to bring it out, because if you see from above, yeah, I need fat tips here. Overall it looks pretty good, you know, decent, lovely.